weekends, I'm gonna have some chips. Chips. Man, all those chips made me thirsty. I'm gonna watch some TV. Beep. Banana, the movie. Welcome to Pig News. Today, there's a fox who's trying to cut down this poor little tree. We will interview the fox right now. Hello, what is your name?
I'm Rockstar Foxy, and I'm gonna cut down this tree and use it for a chair.
You are trying to cut this tree and build a chair?
Yes.
Okay then. Back to you, other people who have pig newses. What? Rockstar Foxy's cutting down a tree? That's not good at all! If he keeps cutting down trees, we won't have any left!
Why do you care about trees anyway, Pirate Pete?
Because we need to preserve planet Earth. We can't destroy it. Also, I'm bored.
I'm bored too, so I'm gonna help.
Yay! Let's go tell him to not cut a tree down.
Yeah. Okay, I am at the tree. Time to take my first swing.
Stop in the name of the law!
Huh? Pirate Pete, you're not a cop.
Stop in the name of trees! Yeah!
Whatever, I'm just gonna take a shot.
No! Wait.
Why?
Excuse me for a second. Happy Frog, I have 3 ways of making him stop cutting down the tree.
Okay, tell me them. Let's do them.
All right. Step 1. Deception. Strategy 1. Don't cut down that tree! That isn't a tree. It's a purple elephant riding a unicycle. You're lying.
You did great on that, Pirate Pete.
Thanks, Happy Frog.
I was being sarcastic. That was terrible. You did bad.
Well, then we should move on to the second strategy.
Okay.
Strategy 2. Negotiation. Happy Frog, get out of my view! Alright. If you don't cut down that tree, we'll give you all the money in that bag. There's probably so much money in that bag. Show him, Happy Frog.
Alright. Here you go.
No. We need to do step 3. 3. Fighting. What do you mean fighting? Nothing. You aren't gonna negotiate, and you're not gonna fall for my genius lies.
They weren't genius.
Be quiet. Then we'll have to fight.
Bring it on.
Wow, he is so weak. All right, let me handle this.
Oh!
I just wanted to build a chair. Hey, we saved the tree! Dance party! Yeah! Now that I've saved this tree, I feel more peaceful with nature. I even feel more peaceful with Panda. Never mind. Subscribe if you like trees. Even if you don't like trees, you should probably like and subscribe. Hey guys, just a heads up. Since school has started, it's been harder to make videos.
Yeah, so this one took a while.
Yeah, so don't expect videos to come out too often, although they'll still probably come out sometimes. Bye!